Alright, so I'm currently looking at the new dual monitor laptop. Like, obviously it's running the HarmonyOS, which is their own operating system. And look, keyboard is detachable and it's connected magnetically and immediately just connects itself wireless. So it doesn't really, work with any cable, stuff like that. And you can just do it like that, and then you have two screens. But the cool thing is that if you forgot the keyboard by any chance, you can just do this, and the keyboard appears, and you can just use it straight, as touchpad. Let's see how responsive the keyboard actually is with the touch. Boom. Maybe let's go to Google. Wow, okay, so that is actually a pretty cool thing. So in general, I just opened some document from Google. I don't know if they want me to see it or not, but yeah. So the case is that obviously the touchpad is actually working very well, and I can see that when I go out of the touchpad zone, it just doesn't work anymore. So that's a cool thing. And when you are here, it does. But then, can I just simply switch it? Let's try. Wow, and it works immediately. OMG, look at this. Like, this is actually pretty unbelievable. So this is the Huawei MateBook Fold, the ultimate design, which obviously I think it's a 13 or 14-inch screen. And obviously it's running the HarmonyOS, which is, pretty decent. And the size of it is like, wow. And is it light? Let me see. Yeah, it is decent. Like, it is definitely a laptop which has a pretty decent weight, so it's not too big, like not too small, and I think that just makes it nice. Okay, I can actually see, when it comes to spec, that, it is a decent thing. And obviously with that model, I can see it has like 32 gig of storage, so it is pretty decent, and it does look amazing. It does look like a book, which, I think is just amazing. So, what do you think? Is it nice? Would you like to have something like that in your house? Because I definitely would. And if you like it, just like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.